The rule of law is one of the most important principles in the UK, but most people can't actually explain what it means. After this video, you will be able to. The rule of law means that everyone must follow the law, including the government. No one is above the law, and laws must be applied fairly. There are 4 key principles you need to know. No one is above the law. Not the Prime Minister, not the police, not judges. Everyone is held to the same legal standards. Laws must be clear and applied fairly. People need to understand what the law is, and it must be enforced consistently. People are innocent until proven guilty. The burden of proof is on the state, not the individual. Access to justice. Everyone should be able to challenge decisions in court and get a fair hearing. For example, when government ministers break COVID rules or misuse public funds, they can be investigated and punished under the same laws as everyone else. This shows that even powerful people are not above the law, a key part of the rule of law. So why does this matter for your GCSE? Because exam questions often ask you to explain the rule of law or give examples of how it protects people. If you can name the 4 principles and link them to real situations, you'll score good marks. So, a quick recap. The rule of law means everyone must follow the law. No one is above the law. Laws must be clear and fair. People are innocent until proven guilty, and everyone has the right to access to justice. That's the rule of law. Simple, clear, and exam ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.